Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to work on this Chevy Malibu, and what we're going to change on this Chevy Malibu is going to be this battery's temperature sensor, or battery sensor, or otherwise known as your negative terminal. So this is what we're going to change. This one right here is broken, as you can see. It's broken. If you want the part number, that's where you get it from. So also guys, what you're gonna need is 10 millimeter, whether you have a drill, a ratchet handle, or whatever you have. So you want to squeeze this. This one is broken, but you want to squeeze this for the clip, and once you pull that back, you want to press and pull back on it. But when you press and pull back on it, if it's just the sensor is bad and it's not broken like this one, it's gonna unplug from right here. So let me see if I can do that. Alright, so I got it out. So when you unplug it, that's what it should look like. Also remove this right here. It's 10 millimeter. Once you do that, you can go ahead and take that off, take this off, get the new one, put it on just like this, knock that on, whichever one you want to tighten up first, tighten that on, put this on back. And you can go ahead and clear the code if you have one for the temperature sensor or so go ahead and clear the code. You can just come around to the front inside the car and start it up. And that's it guys, that's how you replace your battery temperature sensor or battery sensor on a Chevy Malibu, just like that. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And one more thing is this right here, the cover your battery terminal. So it should be I should have done it, but this car didn't have it on. So you just want to squeeze this, take it off. That's your battery temp sensor. All right guys, peace out. See you next time.